Hello everybody. In today's video we will be going around taking photos with the Mamiya 6x4.5 medium format film camera. So we are here at this location. It's a stone quarry, I think that's how you call it in English, that was changed into some green park or something like that. Supposedly it's nice to take photos here, so we will try it out. So with the Mamiya today, we will be shooting on Ilford FP4 Plus. That's 125 ISO. So we will set our time at 125th of a second, and we will be changing the exposure only with the aperture. It's a sunny day, so I guess f16 aperture is a good start. So as you see here on the sign, it says the name of this place is Lipówka, mine or quarry. A return to nature. So, and of course, like always, I forget something. I forgot the screw for the GoPro mount, so I will be holding the GoPro at this spot and the Mamiya at the same time, so you have something of an approximate view of the pictures that I'm taking. And of course, every shot taken will be on the screen. Hope you enjoy. Let's get to loading. Alright, so the film is loaded, so let's get to taking some photos. And of course, in one pocket we got our longer lens, 210 millimeters. That's on the Mamiya. It would be an approximately 100 something millimeter on a full frame equivalent. In the bag we still have an 80 millimeter, that would be a 40 millimeter equivalent, something like that. And on the Mamiya we got a 45 millimeter put on, so that would give us a view of approximately 20 something millimeter on a full frame equivalent. Enjoy the views. Because we will need a full f16 here, just like that. Of course it's harder with the Mamiya because everything's opposite here. All right, we got a photo. Let's try stand here by this, back up against that, yes, and we will change to our longer lens, trying to do more of a portrait shot here. So let's change to our 210. Let's make it more against that hill back there, but again we're in the shade. Let's see how that comes out. So no matter the shade there, let's put it at f5.6. It shouldn't come out that much over exposed, so we can't recover it. All right, get your bottle back up. Let's go up on
there first.
Now let's go on top of the hill over there. I just realized that on the video here you could see the mount. I didn't notice earlier if you could see the 45 millimeter lens on the Mamiya, but this 210, well, you could obviously see that one aiming around. Nice and sunny day, but the ground is quite wet here. Let's see, what do we got up here? So now you could see the entire quarry here, all the way deep in the ground. So we will be going down there, taking a nice hike. Those chimneys over there look good. Well, let's take a photo like that. I guess we should take it. I don't care much about measuring the light now. We'll just do the sunny 16 roll because it's a nice and sunny day, so you don't have to worry much. We'll do it at f11 because we don't care about getting too much exposed skies. We want a little bit more saved in the shadows. Let's do something like this. There we go. All right. Don't get too close to the edge. Well, that would be quite a slide here. I don't think you could see it much on the GoPro, but yeah, it's not a steep edge, but you would slide down there to the end. Yeah, so there's a little bike track there I could see. Let's see if we could take a good photo of it. Oh, well, actually it might come out an interesting photo. Let's keep it at f11. There we go. Sit down on the ground. Let's get it in focus much better here. Something about there. Let's get our wide lens back on. That's the little pain with changing the lenses. They say primes are the best, right? But sometimes zoom lens is a thing you pray for. Alright, so we got some view here. Let's take it like this. Oh, sit around just like you're sitting. Don't look at me. Now we're not going to be focusing too much here because let's do it at f11's good. Let's say 3.5 meters from me, so everything from 1.5 meters will be in focus either way. So all right, give me your phone if you want a photo, a quick photo. All right, so how many photos do we got here now? We are on our 9th shot. So let's see, which way does the road lead down? Let's go this way here. Huh, I wonder if we could take an interesting photo inside here. I wonder if that came out anything interesting. Now, I don't think that is a trail. Well, as we can see, people do take their shortcut here, or it's just bike riders. I guess it's bike riders driving down this hill. Well, we won't be walking down this hill. A sign with the things you can find here. Different snails, bugs, plants. Oh, there's a path, map of the path here. Well, we were up there. Actually, I think that photo might come out good on a longer lens. Let's put that little sun hood up. All right, and aim it at those rocks there that we were just taking photos of him sitting on the edge. So as you see, it's just a hilly hill. Because there's some trees. Oh, let's get some foreground in here. I don't know if that will be too interesting, but let's see here. What do we got here? Some lakey lake. Oh, more of a puddle. At least I don't see anything interesting here. We're on the 11th photo. I probably might have a photo idea. Step behind this branch here, right in between them over here, just like that, and hold this down just like that. Just like that. Don't shake it. Let's change to F8 over here, just in case. Let's get some focus here. Smile. Not that much. All right. Now we're on our 12th photo. So where shall we continue, my son? I would be more interested in taking photos in the studio. But of course we can't afford a studio now, so we have to go out and shoot photos. And as always, there's nobody interested in coming out and posing to take photos. So it's a hard life. What do we got here? A big lone stone. But there's trash around it, I think. As always, dirty people, trash around. Human population is just but let's not get too philosophical here. Go get that green bottle into the trash can. That's under the rock. Because it's breaking our beautiful view. What should we do here? I'd say F11. So let's shoot straight on. Get out of the way. All right. So let's advance our frame to the 13th frame now. So what shall we do here now? I don't see much interest in here at all. Well, let's try something like this. Let's change this to F16 though. All right. So I guess this place isn't as interesting as they said it would be. And still, after we finish this, I have to take some photos with my digital camera for the newspaper I have an internship in. And I'm supposed to make this place look cool and amazing and interesting. Well, I guess I will suck at that job. Because if something doesn't interest me, well, I can't find anything interesting in it. Oh, wonder what's up there. A hobbit's home. Go check it out. Just don't go in there. Sit on that rock right beneath it. I guess that's more of a shadow, so we'll do 5.6 here. All right, and we're on our final photo. A cave, you say there. Let me get my butt up there to see what of an interesting thing there is in there. Up. I thought it would be something more interesting in there, but too dark to take a photo over here. Well, looks like this place was locked up before, but people, of course, destroy things. So, nah, it doesn't go in that deep. It ends right over there. So let's get back down. Going down is always harder than going up. Sit on this log. Not that way. Put your legs on both sides. You are white from these rocks. You are all white and dirty. And we were still supposed to go someplace else that you were supposed to look clean. Well, let's put this to F8 here. Don't mind if it's a little bit overexposed. Ready? All right. And I guess, yep, that one allows taking more photos. We're done with this. So this was our little walk with the Mamiya 6x4.5. Maybe this place isn't as interesting as we were told it would be, or it's not too much interesting for us. So if you've seen any interesting spot, let us know in the comments down below. And if you like this, please remember to hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, and the bell button so you're notified about every video we post. So thank you for watching. Take care, my friends.
Bye.